I'm eating grapes. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've got some super exciting news. I made it through to the NYX FACE Awards top 20. I'm really happy because last year I also made it through to the top 20. I didn't get any further, just the top 20, but it was a really amazing experience. And at the time, I was sad that I didn't get further, obviously, but I said, do you know what, I'm going to apply again next year, because even if I just make it to the top 20, this is such an amazing experience that it's worth it. So I feel so blessed and shocked that they've chosen me. It's really amazing. The last video I posted is the look that got me into the competition. If you want to check that out, it's my spring skull, and yeah, I can't believe it. Today in the post arrives a huge box, so if you want to see what is in the box, then stay tuned. This is the beast. Where's my head gone? The head's gone. This is the box of magic. So it's the biggest, heaviest box of makeup in the world. And in it we have this. And it says, guess what? You've made it through to the top 20. We're blown away with your entry look and are so thrilled to have you as part of our UK and Ireland FACE Awards top 20. The theme for the next round is Proud Soul. And then it says you will find a selection of NYX professional makeup products inside this box to help you create your Proud Soul look. Sponsor of this year's competition, Superdrug. Woo, it's cool. Superdrug have also popped in a few products for you to enjoy. For this round of the competition, you're required to post an unboxing video, which is what this is. Hi, welcome. And then post a 90-second makeup tutorial. This should demonstrate how you created your Proud Soul look and which NYX professional makeup products you used. We can't wait to see the look you create. After everyone has posted their top 20 look, the independent panel will whittle down the competition to a top 10. Please let me get through to the top 10. It's fine if I don't, honestly, like, just to get into the top 20 is such an achievement for me and just such a great experience, but I would love to get through to the top 10, so I'll have to see what I can pull out of the bag for my Proud Soul look. That sounded scary. Okay, so we open up the box. And then there's a few treats from Superdrug in here. So last year it was sponsored by Redken hair products. So last year there was a few Redken bits, but today there's a few Superdrug bits. So we have a makeup brush foldable cleaning mat, which is cool. Some eyelash curlers. A makeup brush cleanser, which is always handy. A latex-free blending sponge. And I think that is it from Superdrug. So, oh my god, this is insane. Can I show you? The amount of stuff in here, so generous, thank you NYX. Plus 2 mystery boxes. What's in the boxes? Let's see. Oh my god, loads of foundations in this one. Is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, up to 24-hour matte finish. Nice, I've never tried this. And then we've got another mystery box. in here we've got the classic NYX Ultimate Brights palette, which if you don't have this, go get it. It's so handy. NYX Off Tropic Shadow Palette, which I don't have, and oh my god, look how gorgeous these colours are. It's giving me inspo for my Pride look. Oh, it's just, it really does remind me of like a tropical holiday. So that's that. And then the classic NYX Born to Glow highlighting palette. And we have the NYX Glitter Girls Cream Glitter Palette. Ooh. Never tried this before, so that'll be really cool to use. And then the NYX Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette. Such nice colours. And that's in the colour Phoenix. And then now all the loose items. I don't know where to start. So we've got the NYX Contour Palette, which is cool. And then a bunch of brushes. Oh my god. I never ever have enough brushes, and I use the NYX brushes from last year all the time. We've got like every brush. That is crazy. All those brushes. Okay, and then I don't know where to start. So we've got NYX Micellar Water Stripped Off, which I use micellar water, I don't know how you say it. I use it like every day, twice a day. So I'm excited to try the NYX version, and I really like the packaging. I think it's really cute. And we also get a cleansing milk. Last year, so when you get into the top 20, you get to go to a party in London, which I live in London anyway, but and in the hotel room on the bed they left us like loads of skincare. In this, actually I used this, it was in this box on the bed with like stuff to like clean after the party, clean our faces, and I used that box still to like put all my dirty brushes in, which is cool. So then we've got the NYX Hydra Touch Primer, which I've actually just run out of, so that's lucky. And the NYX Pore Filler Primer Base, which I've never tried, so that will be good to try. We have a makeup brush spray cleaner, which you can never get enough of that with all the brushes I have to clean anyway. We also have a matte finishing spray, which this is like really highly rated. A primer spray as well, never tried that, so that'll be cool to try. We've got a NYX Complete Control Blending Sponge. And then we've got like every colour in the SFX cream colour range, which I think will come in handy for my use for the next round. We have the NYX SFX Set Loose Setting Powder. I like that it's called SFX because, you know, I like a bit of SFX. So we've got the Wicked Lashes in Drama Queen. And then we've got some individual lashes. Then we've got Vixen lashes, which they're very up my alley, like those. So we've got a bunch of the NYX Micro Brow Pencils, which I'm actually still using from last year, but like I don't have many left that are like my colour. So it's really good to get these again. That's what I've done my eyebrows with today. I use it every day. And then we have the NYX Glitter Girls liquid lipstick, which is some kind of crazy glittery liquid lipstick which I have never seen before, but I am really excited to try these. Got like 6 different shades of it. Whew. Okay, and then we have a bunch of the suede matte lipsticks, which I don't know why, but I really like the packaging for them. Well, I do know why, it's cute. It's got like love hearts on it. I just think the packaging's super nice. So I've got like 6 of those. I feel like we're getting down to the nitty gritty now. So I've got a bunch of gorgeous pigments, glitters, foil plays. So many glitters and pigments that I actually can't hold them all. We've got the classic, like, I feel like when you start doing like creative makeup, this is like one of the classic things that you get, and it's the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I feel like all the like beauty bloggers, like, I feel like all the like creative makeup people use this and talk about it. So we've got that, and we've got a black version which I've never used, but I'm definitely gonna try that out. They're very handy for like drawing on yourself, which is what I like to do. And then I've got a big bunch of the NYX Vivid Brights coloured liquid liners. Oh my god, look how many there is. This is crazy. If you do makeup, face painting, anything next year, enter the NYX Face Awards. It's worth it, trust me. I've got all of those which, to be honest, are giving me like rainbow pride vibes, so they will definitely be useful. We've got a glitter and a pigment primer for all those glitters. A lip primer as well. We've got a white eyeshadow base as well. And the NYX This Is Everything lip oil. I've seen bloggers use that, I think. It looks really nice. Got 2 like glittery lip glosses. And then this is the last section. I'm sad I've gone through it all. But and then we've got the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel, which I still have from last year, but it's like, it's really on its last legs. So it's just like, I like to, like, once I've done my eyebrows, just brush it through and it just makes them a bit more thicker. And then we've got the Worth the Hype mascara, which I used that up from last year as well, so it's good to get that again. And then we've got 2, the Epic Ink liner and the matte liquid liner in black, and the white one as well. Okay guys, that is everything. I just want to say a massive thank you to NYX for choosing me. Let's pray for Emily that we can make it through to the top 10. Doesn't matter if not, I'm still really happy and grateful, but it'd just be super cool. If you've enjoyed this unboxing video, so exciting. I'm probably not going to be posting like as many tutorials on here as I normally would while I'm in this competition, because it kind of like takes up a lot of like, not necessarily time, but like I'm just like planning what I'm gonna do and like worrying about it. So like I won't be doing as many like other videos until I've got that one out there. Also, I'm going on holiday next week and I've had like a super busy month. Like my friend got married, I had a hen do the wedding, so I haven't posted as much as I would like to, but probably the next thing I post will be the Proud Soul look, so wish me luck. And yeah, thanks for watching. I know it's going to be super long and you'll all be falling asleep now, but yeah, thank you NYX so much. Bye guys.